Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to download Bank of China application on your Android device. If you'd like to download the application on your device so that you can go ahead and make a transaction online on your bank account, send and receive payments, or simply check your balance using your mobile device, then keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Simply open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, but if you are using your iOS, simply open up your App Store, go to the search field at the top, type in Bank of China into the search box and make a search. Now, soon after you do that, you should see this kind of a search result displayed on your screen. Simply tap on this app right here and tap on the install button. Your downloading process has begun. It will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed that you are connected to on your mobile device. Make sure to be connected to a strong internet if you are trying to download any kind of an application, if you'd like to do it without any kind of delay. After the download is done, wait until it installs. After waiting for a few seconds, you'll be able to see an open button activated on the display. Tap on open in order to launch the app. That is how you'll be able to download Bank of China application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.